Monaco Cayman for sale in Hendersonville, Tennessee. 37075. Spread your wings and fly with this 2002 Monaco Cayman. This Class A motorhome is 37 feet in length and features a spacious floor plan. Perfect for creating memorable experiences with loved ones and friends. Powered by a strong-powered Cummins diesel pusher engine mated with an automatic Allison transmission. This RV has 2 slide-outs, 1 big awning, door awning, slide-out awnings, and offers sleeping accommodations for up to 6 guests. Hit the road with minimal effort because this rig is equipped with a backup camera with sound, power mirrors, power leveling system, and captain's chairs. With only 58,500 miles, you can rest assured that this Monaco will be making your traveling dreams come true for many years to come. This 2002 Monaco Cayman is ready to become your next home away from home. This luxury unit has been outfitted with exceptional amenities to ensure that you experience top-quality residential living right on the campsite. Highlights of these features include great cooking area with 3-burner stove and large microwave/convection oven refrigerator/freezer double kitchen, SinkNew dinette with bench, SeatingNewer, televisions, surround sound, DVD/CD/StereoSatellite DishNew Jackknife Sofa /BedChairBig, walk-through bathroom, private water closet with new toilet glass, shower rear, master bedroom, new oversized custom-made walk-around mattress, 7,500 watt Onan propane GeneratorNew upgraded, inverter upgraded, 8D batteries, full pass-through basement storage roof in excellent condition. Has been cleaned and resealed like new tires, and so much more. This 2002 Monaco Cayman is ready to be your next home away from home. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to invest in your happiness. This fully loaded Monaco is priced to sell. Call today for more information on how you can cherish every moment of your RV experiences with this fantastic Class A 2002 Monaco Cayman.